Hi, so I am here in the medieval city of Cuenca. Behind me are some old ruins, and over here I found a shady spot kind of out of the way where I can paint. Anyway, and behind me are a bunch of tourist trap restaurants. So I'm just now starting. I'm gonna try and put the drone up here in a little bit and just paint for 3 hours, and then for the very first time I'm gonna take the bus back to my friend's daughter's college apartment. And yeah, I'm so lucky I have all these people that will take me places. Thank you, Ima, my aunt in love.